这买那个啦，手机干嘛去？
我每天生养
อันเนี้ยจังฮะ
So this is the time, that's end time going on, and surely the God's people will have the tribulation, troubles, but God says, I have overcome the world. That Jesus said, I have overcome the world. So maybe we have right now persecution. We are from North India and we are facing one of the most persecution area. So like when we go to Haryana and Punjab, UP, it's the most persecution area. We thought that the northeast was the safest place. And but you know, when the persecution comes, God should revive His people. In the beginning, in the early church, when the persecution came, and the church spread out, people spread out everywhere. Wherever they go, the mighty revival came. So through you, the God is going to bring revival in the North India.
Amen.
So God is going to use you some of make your people mighty nation.
Hallelujah.
No one can stand against God's people. When we become a mighty nation, the God has promised when Israelites go any nation to conquer, and the people of other nation who are too much terrified, they said, oh, this their God is a mighty God. They are blessed people.